Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a real delight to connect with you. So happy you would join me today. If you're feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, anxious, restless, lazy, tired, hungry, feeling worried about the future, depressed about the past, or perhaps even joyful, it's a-okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can make the pain go away. Coming back into our awareness, back into our trust, self-love, compassion. Remembering that our pain isn't actually against us, but in our support. Helping us to grow, helping us to flower. Sometimes we have to know darkness so that we can know what light is. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware, present, and gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inside world, witnessing and welcoming any anxiety, pain, tensions, or worries, or welcoming it all like old friends. Breath in and exhale out. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. exhale, releasing stress, saying goodbye to worries. Breathing in self-love. Exhale, letting go of the inner critic. Breathing in grounded masculine energy. And exhale, feeling grounded, centered, relaxed. Breathing in feminine intuition and beauty. Exhale, feeling more open, feeling yourself beautiful. Breathing in balance. Exhale, feeling yourself present. Breathing in 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Following my lead. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of your surroundings, aware of your awareness itself. The color for today is white. The number is infinity. And the animal is a cat. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.